Hello, friends. It is very tough to get through the NEET UG examinations since as many as 20 lakhs students appearing in these examinations. While after getting through the NEET UG examinations, I was little bit worried and confused about the counseling process as it is very complex and very complicated for the admission of my grandson Eishan Singh. In the meanwhile, I got in touch with Mr. Ragupathy Perumal of MBBSCounsellor app, who advised me to take the subscription, and I duly followed his advice and took the Ruby subscription from MBBSCounsellor app for the counseling of my grandson Eishan Singh after passing the NEET UG examinations last year. I am absolutely delighted to say that Mr. Perumal Ragupathy guided us very nicely. He helped us when we needed. He provided us the list of the colleges according to the rank, standard, and quality of the hospital, like IPD, OPD, etc., etc. And we duly followed his advice in filling the choice of the colleges. And it was his good guidance which enabled us to get a good college in the state of Tamil Nadu. Therefore, I advise those who are planning to go for the NEET counselling this year, especially from the state of Rajasthan, this MBBS Counselor app is very nice. They take the subscription in whatever capacity it is taken. It is very helpful, very beneficial. Apart from this, I would like to tell you that these people are very positive and always ready to help. When the help is solicited, they are absolutely ready to deliver their services 24/7. This MBBS Counselor app might be very useful to the students who are planning to do their MBBS from the southern states like Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and moreover the eastern states like Odisha and West Bengal, because these people are having the well managed data of the colleges throughout the country, especially the colleges of the South India. As you know, the students from North India will be facing difficulties while adjusting in the environment of the southern states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, due to the food problem. But these people guide us that it will not be such a big and large problem, as everything will be all right after some days, and it happens with us also. So I once again recommend the students, especially from Rajasthan, to take the subscription of the MBBS Counselor app. It is a very nice app. It is providing the information of each and every college in detail, faculty wise, establishment year wise, and patient wise, the location wise. That is why I once again recommend the NEET aspirants, NEET counseling aspirant, this app. However, passing NEET UG examination is absolutely difficult, but the counseling process is equally difficult. So once you get through the NEET UG examinations, it is not guaranteed that you are going to get a good college anywhere in the country, because complex and complicated procedure of the counseling. Until unless you take the advice or guidance of some expert career guiding agencies, it is very difficult to get a good college. Wishing you all the best, and I am thankful to the team MBBS Counselor, especially Ragupathy Perumal, for having helped us immensely getting a good college through his good offices in the state of Tamil Nadu, and well established college. Once again, I owe to MBBS Counselor app. Thank you very much.